Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm here with a new lesson, that is COLOURFUL, colorful, CLOTHES, clothes, colorful clothes. Before getting started, I would like to ask you one question, that do you wear the same color dress every day, children? No, of course not. We wear different colors of clothes at different times, isn't it? And according to the seasons, according to the occasions like birthdays, parties, you wear different clothes. So, in order to know more about that, let's get started. Do you find these pictures funny? Say why. Look at the picture here. First one. Is it not funny how the weird face he is making? Like this. Why he is making like this face? Why? Because it's sun. It's very hot because of the sun. So he was just sweating like anything, and he made this weird face. He is very uh, tired by that hotness. The next is, look at the picture here. Do you know? Do you think it's not funny? Is it not funny? Yes, it's funny. Why? Because how she's making her face like, what is this? It's raining, and I'm getting drenched in the rain. She's making like these faces, isn't it? It's very funny to watch that. Now look at this one. How weird this face. He's making this face. Why he's making this type of face? Whenever we feel very cool, we will shiver like this, and we will make this type of faces, isn't it? So it's not. Is it not very funny, children? Yes, according to the situation, we make the faces, and it looks very funny to us, isn't it? Now different, different, seasons, seasons, different seasons, different, different, clothes, clothes, different seasons, different clothes. So we wear different clothes according to the different seasons. How? Let's learn that. CLOTHES, clothes. PROTECT, protect. US as FROM, from. THE, the. HEAT, heat. COLD, cold. AND, and RAIN, rain. So clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. What is the meaning of PROTECT, protect? Protect means keeping us safe is called as protect. Keeping us safe from danger. Danger is called as protect. So why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body, and also the clothes will protect us from many things. What are the many things? Whenever it is very heat outside, whenever it is very hot, what you will wear? You will wear the light cotton clothes, and you feel very cool in that. So it will protect you from the heat. And whenever it is very cool, like in winter season, so what you will wear? You will wear the jackets, you will wear the sweaters, isn't it? So if you wear those sweaters and jackets in the cool season, what you feel? You feel your body is warm now, isn't it? And you will get protected from the cold. Now in rain, during the rainy season, what you will do? If you want to go outside during the rainy season, you will wear the raincoats, you will carry the umbrella with you, isn't it? So why do we wear that raincoat? Why? Because to protect us from the rain, isn't it? So according to our need also, we wear the different kinds of clothes. WEAR, wear. DIFFERENT, different. KINDS, kinds. OF, of. CLOTHES, clothes. IN, DIFFERENT, different. SEASONS, seasons. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Okay. Why we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons? Let's learn that. WEAR, wear. LIGHT, light. COTTON, cotton. CLOTHES, clothes. IN, SUMMER, summer. THEY, they. KEEP, keep. US as COOL, cool. WOOLLEN, woolen. CLOTHES, clothes. KEEP, keep. US as WARM, warm. IN, COLD, cold. WINTER, winters. CLOTHES, clothes. ALSO, also. PROTECT, protect. US as FROM, from. DIRT, dirt. and DUST, dust. So we wear different types of clothes according to the different seasons. And also we wear light cotton clothes in summer. Summer is a season where you feel very hot. Hot season is called as summer. Okay, hot season is called as what, children? Summer. SUMMER, summer. So in summer it will be very hot. So will you wear sweaters and jackets in hot season? No, we wear light cotton clothes so that our body will be very cool. So according to the season, we are wearing our different clothes. So we are wearing light cotton clothes in summer season. They keep us cool. isn't it? If you wear these light cotton clothes, you will feel very cool. Then woolen clothes keep us warm in cold winters. Winters are the season in which you feel very cool. Okay. So in whenever you feel very cool, what you will do? You will wear the sweaters, jackets, whatever you have, isn't it? And what are they made of? They are made up of wool. Wool is the thread. From that thread they will make these clothes, and woolen clothes we wear in winters. Clothes also protect us from dirt and dust. If you want to know more about woolen, you ask your mother to show your sweater, and you touch that sweater, how it will be very soft and it will be very warm for our body. And why do we wear? In order to protect us from very coldness. Okay. Protect us from cold. Clothes also protect us from dirt and dust. Why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold and rain, and also it will protect us from dirt and dust also. The dirt and dust will be all around us. We don't see that, but sorry, we can see that. If you play in the playground, how your clothes becomes, it will become very dirty, isn't it? All the dust will be on your uniform. So if you don't wear the clothes, whatever the dirt and dust will be, it will fall on your body and it will not be good for you. So not only clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain, it also protect us from dirt and dust. So according to the different seasons, we wear different clothes, isn't it? Summer hot season we wear light cotton clothes, and in winter season, cool season, we wear woolen clothes, so that our body gets warm. Look at these people. Talk about the different kinds of clothes they are wearing. Why do they need to wear such clothes? So look at the picture here. By these you have to find out why they are wearing this type of clothes. So here she is wearing light cotton clothes, isn't it? It means that it is very hot. So in the hot season we wear, summer season we wear this type of clothes. He is wearing this scarf around his neck. It means that it is very cool. It means that it's a winter season, isn't it? Next is he is wearing this jacket. Jacket means this is very, what we say, very long with the cap. It means that it's a raincoat. Why do we wear raincoat? In order to protect us from the rain. Okay. So she is a lady, she is a girl, she wears this type of sari and she will carry the umbrella, and boys will have this type of raincoat and they can wear this capped raincoat. Okay. So we wear different kinds of clothes according to our needs. If it's raining, we will wear raincoat. If it's very hot, we wear light cotton clothes. If it's very cold, what we wear jackets and sweaters. Now, where do your clothes come from? Now the question is, you wear clothes but you don't know that from where we are getting, how the clothes are made and from where we are getting it. Now let's find out that. Do you know from where your clothes come from? We get cotton from the cotton plant. The first is, this plant is what, children? It is a cotton plant. So cotton clothes are made from the cotton plant only. From this they will pluck the cotton and they will process it and they will make into fine threads. Okay, taga. Then after that they will take that thread and they will make cotton lined clothes, and you will wear it in which season? In summer season. Okay, so we get cotton from the cotton plant. This is the cotton plant. If you find free time, then find out more about the cotton plant on the Google. Okay. Next, wool comes from the fleece. FLEECE, fleece. WOOL, wool. Where does the wool comes from? It comes from the fleece of sheep. What is fleece? Fleece means the woolly coat of the sheep. The soft hair of the sheep. What they will do? They will take out. They will trim that. They will cut that hair and they will make the woolen threads. And from that they will make what they will make? They will make the sweaters. And if you wear the sweaters, it will keep your body warm. It means that we will wear these sweaters in winter season. Okay. And wool come from the fleece of the sheep and the hair of the camels and also the fur of the rabbits. You have seen the rabbits, isn't it? How the rabbits will be, how their hair will be very soft. They will they will take the soft hair of the rabbits also to make the sweaters and jackets. Okay. Threads of silk are made from the cocoons of silkworm. Do you have a special silk dress? Silk is very soft. If your mother is having silk sari, then you ask her. She will show you how the silk will be. You touch that silk sari, it will be very smooth. So from where we are getting that silk means, children, from this insect. What this insect will do means, it will create silk. How? The silk are made from the cocoons of silkworm. What are cocoons, children? A cover of a thread a silkworm makes to cover itself before it grows up is called as the cocoon. Okay, so before it becomes an insect, it will be like the soft thread like. So from the cocoons of silkworm, they will make the silk. Okay, and do you have a special silk dress? If you have, sometimes you people also will have silk dresses. So ask your mother and find out about that. Okay. Plastic or rubber is used to make raincoats and gumboots. These help us to stay dry in the rain. An umbrella also protects us from the rain. So plastic or rubber is also used to make the raincoats and gumboots. If you are having raincoat, then touch it, it will be like rubber only, children. So it means that it is made from the plastic or the rubber. And gumboots are this one. This is called as a gumboot. Why do we wear? In order to protect us from the rain and all the muddy area around us. Okay, an umbrella also protects us from the rain. An umbrella also protects us from rain, and it is also made up of sometimes plastic or rubber like. Okay, people living in different parts of the world wear different types of clothes. Those who live in the cold, snow covered places wear warm clothes. Those living in the hot places wear light cotton clothes. So people living in different parts of the world, we live in the different parts of world, isn't it? And we wear different types of clothes. Why? Like if snow covered places like Kashmir you take, in Kashmir it will be snowing all the year, most of the year. So what will happen, what they will do, they will wear the clothes in those areas. Okay, it means that we wear warm clothes in cold season. Those living in the hot places wear light cotton clothes. The people who will live in the hot places like Rajasthan will be very hot, so they will wear the light cotton clothes. Okay, and in our places also nowadays we are feeling very hot, and so in order to stay cool, what do we do? We wear light cotton clothes, isn't it? And we feel very cool and comfortable in those clothes. So I would like to end up my discussion here, and we'll continue the next part in the next video. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.